Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Torre Bongolan. In today's video, I will be going to discuss how to build a good relationship between a business process outsourcing and the businesses. Also included in this video is the application of artificial intelligence to meet the certain metrics or key performance indicators for the BPO to prove their abilities, their competencies to provide their services. Alright, so to build a business relationship with their business partners, it is necessary to assess the third-party vendor, which is the BPO. Are they capable in providing services to their partners? Do they have enough manpower to support their clients? Are the services within the ambit of their competencies? For instance, a BPO company was known for providing legal services to their partners, and a business was considering to outsource one of their functional areas in establishing a data warehouse that could serve as a backbone for a more robust and seamless services for their stakeholders or clients. A business should consider assessing the background of the BPO. The people behind the BPO should be of high integrity and track records related to the business needs. Because of the influx of big data and the need for a more seamless and well-built systems and infrastructure, there are BPOs that are now venturing to a new line of services. A BPO could be known by providing legal services, but they have realized the demand in data science, blockchain, machine learning, and the like. And so, they are building a new line of competencies. What are the criteria or the assessments business are looking for a BPO company? BPO stands for Business Process Outsourcing. This refers to the practice of outsourcing selected business functions, such as but not limited to the following: IT services, accounting services, legal services, data processing, customer service, human resources, marketing and sales, financial management, supply chain management, among others. Mentioned functional areas needs to include analytics for the BPO to provide their best quality of service to their business partners. Thus, the rise of data science career and opportunities. Financial or banking institutions, for instance, need to develop a scientific model to detect fraud activities to protect their stakeholders, such as the depositors, investors, and credit card holders. They also need to develop systems to protect records and to get rid of the cyber hacking activities. The goal of a BPO is to help companies in reducing their cost, improve operational efficiency, and focus on their core competencies. BPO is a growing industry, and many companies see to it to reduce costs while maintaining highest levels of quality service and of operational efficiency. BPO providers typically offers a wide range of services. These services can be delivered either onshore, this is within the company's home country, or offshore, in another country, often with lower labor cost. Assessing the effectiveness of a BPO business process outsourcing relationship is a crucial step for companies to determine whether their partnership with the BPO provider is delivering the desired outcomes. These are some of the metrics that are measured for BPO company by their business partners. The performance metrics. Business partners can track key performance metrics such as the customer satisfaction levels, cost savings, and process efficiency to determine the effectiveness of the BPO relationship. These metrics should be agreed upon beforehand and regularly monitored to ensure that the BPO provider is meeting the expected performance target. The customer's feedback. Collecting feedback from customers can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of the BPO relationship. This feedback can be gathered through surveys, focus groups, or direct customer interactions. Process audits. Regular process audits can help assess the quality of the services provided by the BPO provider. These audits can be conducted internally or by an independent third party. Contractual obligations. Business process should review the contract regularly to ensure that the BPO provider is meeting the agreed upon terms and conditions. This includes ensuring that the BPO provider is following the agreed upon service level agreements, delivering services within the specified time frames, and adhering to data privacy and security standards. Communication and collaboration. Regular communication and collaboration between the business partner and the BPO can help identify and resolve any issues early on. This includes regular meetings and performance reviews to discuss the progress of the BPO relationship and identify areas for improvement. Business process outsourcing has become an increasingly popular way for the companies to streamline their operation, cut costs, and improve customer satisfaction. However, measuring the success of BPO can be difficult, especially if you don't know what key performance indicators to look for. In this article, we'll discuss some of the most important KPIs to track in your BPO operations. Measuring the success of your BPO operations is essential to make sure that you're getting the results that you want. By tracking these KPIs, you'll be able to identify areas where you can improve and make sure that your BPO is delivering the benefits you expected. A KPI or Key Performance Indicator is a metric that contact centers use to determine if they're meeting business goals such as the efficiency and delivering exceptional services. Contact centers have multitude of possible KPIs. The challenge is picking the right ones to holistically measure the different aspects of the operations, while not creating data overload. Typical contact center KPIs measure labor efficiency and workload management, and this includes the following: the average handle time, the spend in QE of the customers, the percentage of black calls, and all others, such as in this presentation. So the average handle time, this is a measure time it takes for an agent to handle a customer interaction from the scratch. To know how to calculate the average handle time, go to the description of this video. Alright? The second KPI is the caller QE time. Caller's QE time refers to the amount of time a customer spends waiting in the call center's QE before being connected with a customer service representatives. So, it is the period between when a customer first dialed the call and when they are actually connected with an agent. Again, the calculation for the caller QE time is discussed in the link provided in this video. The next one is the percentage of black calls. Other one is the service level agreement, abandonment rate, speed of answering calls, agent turnover, occupancy rate, absenteeism, first call resolution, the agent's attrition, the customer satisfaction, and the net promoter scores. A BPO company should have to have a dashboard for all of these KPIs in order for them to make sure and for them to be able to provide proof of their competencies to to their business partners. This is not an easy report for BPO company. However, this could be more important if they can able to have a dashboard for these KPIs. Now, for the BPO company, in order for everyone or for every BPO company to create or build dashboards for all of these KPIs, they should invest in artificial intelligence. Okay? So artificial intelligence has been a revolutionary technology in the field of business process outsourcing. AI has been transforming the way BPO companies operate, delivering faster and more efficient services to clients. In this article, we'll take a look closer at how AI has been transforming the BPO industry and the potential benefits that BPO companies and their clients can reap from its use. One of the major benefits of AI in BPO companies is its ability to automate repetitive tasks such as data entry, data analysis, and customer service. AI-powered system can handle these tasks quickly, accurately, and with a high degree of consistency, freeing up BPO employees to focus on a more strategic task that require human interaction and decision making. This leads to a more efficient and effective BPO company, which in turn leads to a better customer satisfaction and improved bottom line results. Another benefit of AI in BPO is the ability to process vast amounts of data in a real time. This allows BPO companies to provide more informed and personalized services to their clients, leading to increased customer satisfaction. For example, an AI-powered system can analyze large amounts of customers' data to identify patterns and trends, and then use this information to make informed recommendations to clients on how to improve their business operations. This type of analysis is difficult for humans to perform, especially when dealing with large amount of data. But AI can do it as quickly and accurately. AI-powered systems are also changing the way BPO companies interact with customers. For example, chatbots powered by AI can provide quick and efficient customer service, answering questions and resolving issues in real time. This not only leads to improved customer satisfaction, but it also frees up human customer service representatives to focus on a more complex and strategic task. Additionally, AI can also analyze customers' feedback to identify areas of improvement and make recommendations to BPO companies on how to better serve their customers. In conclusion, AI has been a game changer in the BPO industry, transforming the way BPO companies operate and delivering faster and more efficient services to clients. Its ability to automate repetitive tasks, process vast amounts of data in real time, and interact with customers through chatbots has improved customer satisfaction and increased bottom line results for BPO companies. As AI continues to evolve and become more advanced, it is likely that we will see even more benefits and improvements in the BPO industry in the coming years. Alright, so if you want to know and learn how to calculate, how to create dashboards, how to integrate AI in a BPO company, go to the description of this video and I will be going to discuss how you can do that. Especially today that OpenAI has built a chatbot called ChatGPT. And now Google is soon to launch their AI chatbot, which is powered by the Google's language model. This is called Google's Lambda model. Alright, so there you go. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and comment on the topics that you want me to work on. Thank you.